Can you turn on the auto scroll on Instagram Reel? Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. So the auto scroll feature is available for the applications such as TikTok. So let's go ahead and figure out if we have the feature in our Instagram as well. Tap open your Instagram application, then head over to the Reel section. Right here, as you can see, currently we have to manually swipe up or swipe down for the scroll feature. If you tap on the three dot icon, you will see there is no such option of auto scroll. This is because Instagram has not created the auto scroll feature for our Instagram Reel. As for now, we have to manually scroll up and down to watch our Instagram Reel. However, we hope that soon Instagram will come up with an update in which there is the auto scroll function so that we can watch our reels without a hassle. This sums up the tutorial as well. We hope that you found it informative to you and thank you so much for tuning in.